Qwen 3.6 has just been released on Ollama, and as expected, the performance is absolutely excellent. In fact, it's already outperforming model like Google Gemma 4. In my testing, I found Gemma 4's performance to be quite disappointing. Qwen 3.6 has a different story. I used it locally to build a website, few different games, and the quality is impressive. So let's get started. And in this video, I'm going to show you how we can just install Qwen 3.6 on your local machine, and I will try to test building projects so that you can understand the performance of it. So let's get started. Okay, now at the beginning, let me install Qwen 3.6 on our local machine. So we'll go to ollama.com, and here at the beginning you need to install Ollama on your machine. So that's why here you will have this command. But if you are using Windows or Mac OS or Linux, then go to this download option. Then here you will find specific options to install it. If you are using Mac OS, then this is your CLI command. If you use Windows, then you will go to these sections and use this command on your PowerShell. And then if you are using Linux, then go to this Linux section and copy this. Okay, in this video actually I will use Linux, so that's why let me go to Visual Studio Code, open the terminal, and simply paste it here. Okay, and if I press enter, look, it's actually installing. It's done. It says run Ollama on your command line. So here, what next actually? When Ollama is installed on your machine, then you will go to this section. So you will have to command this. You will simply command Ollama run Qwen 3.6, copy this. And if actually this command depend on your hardware, look, to download this model, actually you will have 24 GB hardware storage. So if you have a budget PC or budget laptop, then avoid this process because it may slow your PC, and sometimes it actually don't run on your PC. Okay, so what you can do, you can simply copy this command, and now back here on this terminal, simply paste it and then press enter. So you can see it's actually pulling manifest, and it's download 23 GB. It takes few minutes, and at the same time, let me discuss why this Qwen 3.6 model is so good. You may wonder how a small model can handle agentic coding so well. It comes with two great things. One is actually good reasoning, and second one is tool calling. If a model can reason through a problem and handle tool calls effectively, it can perform high-level coding tasks, and Qwen 3.6 excels at both. If you check the benchmark, you can understand it properly. On the benchmark, Terminal Bench 2.0, it's actually performing 51.5. On the other hand, actually Google performing 42.9. Google Gemma 4 performing 42.9. And here is another example. You can see SWA Bench Pro is actually performing higher than Google Gemma 4. So I hope you understand why this model is great for agentic coding. It's actually handled front-end workflows and repository level reasoning with greater fluency and precision. And for the thinking perception, it's actually introduced a new option to retain reasoning context from historical masses, streamlining iterative development and reducing overhead. Okay, so successfully done. And here you can see this type of thing. Okay, so now here you can just type anything. So for example, if I say hi, then look, it's actually thinking and then reply you. Okay, so look, here is the thinking. And hello, how can I assist today? So it's actually replying you perfectly. What if actually, if you want, you can use it on actually Claude Code, Codex, OpenCode or OpenCola. It's up to you. If you want to use that, you will have to install Claude Code, then command this to run it on the interface. Okay, so now for this, actually let me try to build very simple HTML file or something like this. For example, for this I will simply say I just give this simple prompt to create a snake game, and it should be like the version played on older mobiles and with a score counter and key controls. Okay, and if I press enter, look, it's thinking, and then it will just file create. Look, this is your HTML file. It's creating a single HTML, now writing CSS. Look, the model is super fast. It's working very speedy. So what next? We'll have to simply copy this HTML and let me create a new file. For example, snake.html, and then if I just pressed it here, I will have to remove this. Okay, so this is actually our file, and if we go run, so by using go live, then you can see this is your game. You can just start the game. Just look. It's actually inside a, I actually not comfortable to create just, okay, it's actually look for our tutorial purpose. Actually we need to create some project, so that's why here it's best to just install Claude Code. Let me go to Claude Code. I will just, let me go to read documentation. So I'm gonna install it on Linux, so I will copy it, then back here let me just exit it, and now install actually Claude Code here. Now we will launch it by using this command. Okay, we will simply copy this command and then back here paste it. Okay, so it will show this type of interface. You can see it's the exact same interface you use on Claude Code. Let me press enter, then let me press enter to continue, and yes, I trust this folder, and here you will have this look. You will have, you are using Qwen 3.6. okay, I actually delete this xnake game. I will actually add a design.md file. Okay, I have written the design.md file. So where is the design.md file? Here is the specification. I will just define design.md file and paste it here. It's some guideline about nature website, and we already have defined colors, color palette, fonts, layout, typography, and all of this stuff. So to need to design the website, then I will have a prompt. Okay, so this is actually a prompt, and we will simply paste it here, then let me press enter. So I will give here, so you are an expert front-end developer and a web designer. I want you to build complete single page website exactly matching the specification provided in design.md file. So here on this design.md file we'll have a specification, and then it will actually just create a production ready, beautiful and complete functional website. We'll have to wait until it's actually proceed. Okay, you can see after then it's actually created a index.html file, and we'll actually make yes. Okay, now the index.html file is created, and if I open it, let me just go live, and now here you can see it's created this nature website for me. Okay, this is much better. You can see here it uses parallax scroll. Okay, so much better if I click services, but you can fix that. It's actually not a big deal. Okay, I hope you understand how this Qwen 3.6 model is performing, and just try to test it. Let me know how it give you result.